Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I used this wooden frame that I got from Dollar Tree. I painted it with Italian sage acrylic paint, and that's by Folkart. I did the front and back of it as well as the inside of the border. I also used this piece of plank wood that's from Dollar Tree as well. It comes in a multi-pack and it's 4.5 by 4.5. I painted the back and sides with the same color, and then the front I painted with Plaster color chalk paint by Waverly. After that was dry, I took Mod Podge and applied a layer of that to the Plaster color. Once I had the Mod Podge on there, I dried it completely. I also grabbed this napkin, which is from Dollar Tree, and cut a square from that. I removed the second layer and placed down the image onto the dried Mod Podge, just eyeballing it to get it lined up and centered. I put parchment paper down over the napkin and ironed it. The iron will reactivate the Mod Podge and seal the napkin into place. I then sanded off the excess napkin and applied a layer of Mod Podge to the top of it. I dried that completely with my heating tool, and while it was still warm, I placed down the parchment paper, just smoothing out any remaining bubbles or wrinkles. I added hot glue right around the very edge of the piece of wood. The piece of wood just barely fits inside that center of the frame, so I had to do just the edge. And then just to give it some extra stability, make sure it was fully on there, I added hot glue around the edge on the back where the piece of wood and the frame meet. But to give it a more finished look, once the glue cools down and is formed, I touch it up with the same paint just so it blends and matches better. Next, I take a piece of twine and make a loop with a knot at the end, cutting off the excess, and then hot glue it on the top center for my hanger. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.